Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. In today's video, gagawa tayo ng music video theme nails using polygel. So while I do the prepping, I'll tell you more about the design for this nail set. Pero as you can see on the video title and thumbnail, it's gonna be about BTS. Meron akong ginawang poll maybe last month. Nagtanong ako if anong magandang music video by them na pwede kong gawing inspiration for this nail set. And the one that got a lot of votes is the Dynamite MV. Actually, I was also looking forward to making a nail set inspired by this MV kasi ang ganda ng theme niya, very colorful and happy, so I'm excited to make this one. So for this set, gagamit tayo ng various colors and more on the lighter side. So gagamitin natin tong color white as a base. Also pink na may pagka-pastel pero not sure kung aling pink dito yung mas maganda. We'll see later. And I'll also be using this blue. Gagamit ako ng nail form, so first itry muna natin siya on our thumb. Sa thumb, I plan to make a colorful design, so I'll be using white polygel as a clean base para sa mga gagamitin kong colors mamaya. Also, di ko masyado gagawing mahaba yung nail extensions, so maybe small to medium length para it will fit the cute theme. So after gawin yung thumb, I did the same with my ring finger, and now let's proceed with the middle using the blue polygel. And for the pointer and pinky finger, I'll be using this pink polygel. After putting the polygel on all of the nails, mag-rub tayo ng alcohol. I'll be using the leftovers and apply it sa ating nails para matanggal yung sticky layer before filing para ma-avoid clogging up the hand files or nail bits. Pag nagpa-file ako, I use the hand file first bago gumamit ng nail drill para ayusin yung shape. Mostly filing from the sides, and then after nun, gagamitin ko na yung nail drill para ayusin yung form or yung thickness ng polygel. If you have watched one of my recent videos, gumawa ako ng tutorial about how to make DIY sanding bands, and ito yung sanding bands na ginagamit ko ngayon in filing my polygel nails. Kaya if you haven't watched it yet, check out my channel. It can help pag wala kang mabilang ng sanding bands or kailangan mo for immediate use. It's very easy to make, and usually yung materials na kakailanganin mo ay basic household materials lang. After filing and buffing the nails, gagawin na natin yung design, and for my thumb, gusto kong gayahin this design from the music video. If you check the timestamp, 2 minutes and 19 seconds, yung parang background ng court behind Yoongi and Namjoon, I don't think magagaya ko siya 100% kasi medyo mahirap yung shapes niya and wala rin akong colors na same sa video. Gagawin ko na lang siyang guide, and as much as possible, mag-mix ako ng gel polishes and powders to come up with the colors closest to the video. Once nakamix na ako ng colors na gagamitin ko for this design, gagamit ako ng nail art brush with thin bristles para mas madaling i-apply yung polish and mas precise yung magagawang shapes for each color. For our pointer finger, gagamit ako ng black polish and draw the BTS logo. The same nang gumawa ako ng butter-inspired nails. For the ring finger, gusto ko rin gumawa ng design from the video. If you check out the timestamp 3 minutes and 7 seconds, meron parang rainbow na lumabas, so nilagyan ko muna ng bottom part ng nails ko with a half cloud. And yung colors na ginamit for the rainbow ay blue, red, pink, and yellow. So yun din yung gagamitin natin for this nail. After doing all of the nail art, mag-a-apply na tayo ng top coat. And without curing, mag-place ako ng triangle nail art pieces for my middle finger. And when I'm satisfied with the placement, pwede na natin i-cure under the lamp for 60 seconds. After applying top coat, lastly, do not forget to also apply cuticle oil. So finally, after like 2 months, nagawa ko na tong design na to, and I really like how it turned out. Medyo matagal na rin akong di nakakagawa ng nail set with this length, so I find it super cute with the colorful theme. I think yung thumb yung pinaka-natagalan ako sa paggawa kasi ang daming colors yung kinailangan ko and medyo ma-detail yung pinagayahan ko, pero worth it siya sa huli. I really wanna do more of these MV theme nails, so please comment down suggestions if you have one. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at @happyfingers, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.